Hi all, good evening. Hope all are fine, healthy. So today we will just talk about the scripting, how to work with this Astro Vastu scripting. Okay, this is basically a horoscope detailing chart, and we need one horoscope here. Okay, we will just take this horoscope as an example horoscope, and okay, so now we will see how to fill in this scripting. So what we have to do is, first thing is, this is east. So wherever the lagna is, that particular point will become east. So this is the east of this particular chart. Okay. So now what we have to do is, this particular point mark 2, 3. Okay. 2 means what? Taurus, Gemini. Okay. Cancer. Likewise, you have to note down. And then apart from that, this is called as the first house. So mark 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, 4 here, 5 here, 6th house, 7th house, 8th house, 9th house, 10th house, 11th house and 12th house. Done. So now you see here in this in the first house what planets you have. So we'll have to fill in the planets here. So first house you have. So you for clarification, first you have to write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right? So now what we have to do is, first house you have moon. So write moon here. The same way, third house you have Rahu. 1, 2, 3. Rahu. Fifth you have Venus. Sixth you have Mercury. Seventh you have Sun. Eighth no planets. Ninth you have Ketu, Mars. Okay. 10th, 11th, 12th you have Saturn and Jupiter. So this the way you have to place the planets in the circle here. Right? So now you have to do the scripting here. So scripting, if you see here, Ketu is connected to what? Ketu is connected in the 9th house, also connected to 10 and 11. Venus, it is 5, 1, 6. Sun, it is 7 and 5. See, you have it here clearly. So I'm just not wasting my time. I'm just trying to put it right. Moon 1, 4. Mars 9, 7, 12. Rahu is 3, 4. Jupiter is 12, 8, 9. Saturn is 12 again, 10 and 11. Mercury, it is 6, 2, 3. 2 is the independent. Okay, now what we have to do is, see here, sign or planet present. Sign. So sign, which sign is this particular Ketu present? Okay, so now you see here, from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is what sign? This is the Capricorn. So sign is what? Planet is what? Capricorn. Planet is Saturn. Means it is the house of Saturn. The same way you have to write all the other things. Venus. Where is Venus present? Venus is there here in this particular house. So where is Venus present? Virgo. And it is the owner of Mercury. Okay. Likewise, we have to see the other planets. Sun is present where? If you see here in this particular chart. Okay. Sun is present in the Scorpio. So write Scorpio here. And it is a Mars owner. Next is what? Moon. Moon is present in here. Okay, here. Then it is what? It is the Taurus symbol, sign, and owner is Venus. Next is what? Mars. Mars is present where? Mars is here. Means Mars is in Capricorn and owner is Saturn here. Next is Rahu. Rahu is present here in Cancer. and its owner is Moon. Jupiter is where? Jupiter is here in 12th house and it is Aries sign, and Mars is the owner. Next is Saturn. Saturn is also present in Aries, Mars. Mercury is present where? Here. It is Libra and it is Venus as this. Here you have to write the degrees. Degrees you have it here. You see here planet in which degree, longitude 1321. So you see here Ketu 1321. Okay, 22. 659. 920. 952. 952 of what? Taurus sign. Okay, in the Taurus sign it is 952. 30 degrees, right? Each and every sign is connected with 30 degrees. So Mars it is 4.07, 13.21, 2.30, 18.37, and finally 22.8. So this is the degrees. So this is the planet and sign. Hits you have to see which planet is hitting what. So for example, we'll see Moon is there in the first house. Moon, which all houses? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So Moon is connected with this. Okay, so now presently what we have to do is we should see the Dasha connected planets, that is Rahu and Jupiter. Okay, so what this hit and all, we should see basically which Dasha is going on, Antardasha. So it is Rahu and Jupiter. So now what we'll do is we'll see the Antardasha thing. Jupiter, what are the hits for Jupiter? For Jupiter, it is 5, 7 and 9. Right? So 5, 7 and 9, how do we see? Where is Jupiter? Jupiter is present here. Right? So now from this place, 7, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Jupiter is connected to this particular place. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And it is also hitting this place, and next 9, 8, 9, this is the place which is hitting. Okay, so Jupiter is hitting these three places. And before that I forgot to tell you, you should note down the directions actually, because when you are putting this chart, so this is what, this is connected with east direction. This is east, this is called as east northeast. This is as northeast, this is the north direction, north northwest. This is what? This is the northwest, this is the west direction, and here in this 50% this is west W, west southwest, and this is southwest, and here 50% it is southwest and south southwest. This is south southeast and southeast. So now if you see, when I am talking about Jupiter is hitting the north direction, Jupiter is hitting the northwest direction, and Jupiter is hitting the southwest direction. Okay, so now what is Jupiter saying? You have to see here. Okay, so here hits we should see all, but basically this is the primary house which is connected with the Dasha, so we should see this. So now it is hitting the north, northwest and southwest. So these three areas it is hitting. Okay, so directions you can note down. It is 5, 7 and 9. So vice versa you should write it actually. Okay, here you should write 5, 7, 9. Here you should write north, northwest, southwest direction. Okay, next is position, friendly or enemy. So for Jupiter, this is what? Mercury. For Jupiter, Mercury is friendly or enemy. You should see that. So basically if you see here this particular chart, Jupiter is hitting what? North. North means what? It is Mercury. Mercury is the planet here. Okay, and next is what? Northwest, it is Moon. Okay, next is what? This is west southwest, this is Rahu. So now we should see whether is Jupiter good with Mercury. Jupiter is neutral with Jupiter is enemy with fifth house. This is the north enemy. Okay, next is what? Northwest. So is Jupiter friendly with moon? Yes, it is friendly with moon. Northwest is friendly. Next is what? Southwest. For southwest is Rahu. So whether the Jupiter is friendly or enemy with Rahu, if you see, it is neutral. So now what happens is all the north related. North is what? North is what? See here you should see Jupiter on the north hit. It gives defects. See Jupiter is giving what? 12, 8, 9. Defects related to professional life, money, means difficulties. Next is what? It is hitting the northwest. Moon is good, okay, right? Okay, Jupiter northwest. Support zone. Support zone will be good because Jupiter and Moon are friends. Next is next it is Jupiter towards the Rahu, means southwest. It is neutral, so southwest is all about what? Stability. Okay. Okay, so only this particular point which is there, which is giving bad actually. Right? So now what are the remedies? All Jupiter items should be removed from the north area. All Jupiter items should be removed from the north area because it is bad. Okay, so this is the way you need to figure out where is the problem, what is the issue, and find out. Okay, so hope you understood. If you have any doubts, you can just text me. Thank you all.